Xin chào. Hello everyone. Welcome to our series Basic Vietnamese for English Speakers. I'm Minh, your host, and this series is designed to help you communicate in Vietnamese while traveling and working in Vietnam. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today, we will learn some basic words and phrases in Vietnamese that you must know. Are you ready? Let's get started. In any language, greetings play an important role, and it's no different in Vietnam. The most common way to greet people is by saying Xin chào. You can greet them using their name or the appropriate Vietnamese pronouns. For example, chào Phương or chào anh, chào chị, chào bạn. Hey, what is that sound? From now on, whenever you hear this sound, please practice pronouncing and speaking the phrases by yourself. Xin chào. Xin chào. Next, let's learn how to say goodbye in Vietnamese. Similar to English, we have multiple ways to bid farewell. You could say tạm biệt, goodbye, or gặp lại sau, see you later. In informal situations, especially with young people, you can also use bye bye. As it's becoming popular in Vietnam, the same goes for hello and thank you. Tạm biệt. Tạm biệt. Gặp lại sau. Gặp lại sau. Great! After greeting someone, it's common to ask about their health or their recent life. You can say, có gì mới không? Which means, what's up? People also like to ask about each other's health by saying, bạn có khỏe không? Có gì mới không? Có gì mới không? Bạn có khỏe không? Bạn có khỏe không? To respond with I'm fine, you can say tôi khỏe or tôi rất khỏe. In this sentence, tôi means I, rất means very, khỏe means fine or well. So they can be translated as I'm fine or I'm very well, respectively. Tôi khỏe. Tôi khỏe. Tôi rất khỏe. Tôi rất khỏe. People may also ask for your name to communicate better in Vietnamese. They might ask you, tên của bạn là gì? In this sentence, tên means name, của bạn means your, là gì means what. So it can be literally translated as name your is what. Don't worry about it. Grammar in communication is not as crucial as people can usually understand your meaning from the word. So to say, I'm fine, you say, tôi khỏe. But to say, I am Jack, you don't say, tôi Jack. Instead, you say, tôi là Jack. Don't forget the word là. Tên của bạn là gì? Tên của bạn là gì? Now, please tell me, tên của bạn là gì? Tôi là. Tôi là. Great! The next phrase is thank you in Vietnamese. You can say cảm ơn, thank you, or cảm ơn followed by the name of the person, like cảm ơn Phương or cảm ơn Jack. If you want to say thank you very much, simply add rất nhiều after cảm ơn, so it becomes cảm ơn rất nhiều. To respond to someone thanking you, you can say không có gì, which means you are welcome. In the southern area, people prefer to say không có chi. Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn. Không có gì. Không có gì. So, if you need to apologize, you can say tôi xin lỗi. I'm sorry. Tôi xin lỗi. Tôi xin lỗi. Lastly, let's learn how to say yes and no in Vietnamese. For agreeing, you can use vâng, yes, đúng rồi, that's right. Đồng ý, you can use đồng ý or okay, like okay in English. For disagreeing, simply say không means no. Vâng. Vâng. Không. Không. That is the end of the lesson. Do you like this podcast? Please let us know. If you find this podcast helpful, please give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you very much. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại.